What is up, guys and girls, and welcome back to Brett Vapes. I am Brett, and guys, you already know, it's Friday. We have got another Friday reaction video. Woo! Okay, guys, so, thanks so much to all the comments and suggestions in the last video. I really appreciate them. Today's video I'm going to be doing on one of the comments, one of the first comments actually on that video, and it's going to be the band I believe is called Wintersun, and the song is called Sons of Winter and Stars. This is the Time live rehearsals at Sonic Pump Studios, and this is the remastered version, guys. If you want to check out this video, link will be down in the description below. It's from Wintersun's official YouTube page, so please, guys, go and support them. And I'm really keen to check this out. It is a long video. It's 14 minutes long. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much. Let's get into this, guys. Just before we do though, guys, please be sure to just smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell for me, guys. I'd really appreciate that. But anyway, guys, let's get into it. Let's check out Wintersun. I'm looking forward to it. I'm really amped. I'm ready for this heavier sound, guys. So let's do this thing. Of course, I cannot do a Vaper react without my vape. So alright, let's do this, guys. Make sure we're at full volume. Sons of Winter and Stars. I was not expecting that. I'm gonna put it. I'll wait until it's finished. Yeah, guys. Oh my goodness, we're only halfway, guys. I'm wondering now where... Well, that's it for part... But no, I'm kidding, guys. Will you take me from the rise and the light comes alive into the mountains high we set our way. Will we find our way in these long winter nights? I see the fading sun way too much. Okay. I'm gonna let these credits roll because that just deserves, these guys deserve this credit. Yeah. Guys, I am speechless. That was amazing. Like, I enjoyed this. Like I said, I enjoyed that way too much. I loved that. I loved that. That was wow. Thank you so much to Cashew Shalom. Dude, yeah, I'm speechless. It's left me speechless. But that one point that I put a pin in it, guys. Is this the band that did? I don't know if you guys know. You guys should know. Bat metal. The bat metal videos. The bat metal kind of thing. Is this the same band? Because at that point, they sounded exactly the same. It sounded like bat metal type, like exactly the same band. It was nuts, and you know what? I love the bat metal. It was brilliant. I love those videos. They're so funny. I really suggest you guys go and check them out. They're funny videos. Really, really good music. They're brilliantly played. But wow, that's Wintersun, guys, and I will definitely be checking out more of their stuff because, yeah, they're amazing. That's not just hard work. That you cannot just get to that point in hard work. You've got to be talented, and these guys are just ridiculously talented. But yeah, I also got a bit of like a medieval type of theme to it, like a medieval type of feel to it. I was thinking like Witcher sort of style. I really loved it. Thank you. Thank you again to Cashew Shalom for suggesting that video. High praise to you guys, to you, dude. Thank you. But yeah, guys, let me know what your guys' thoughts on this video is down in the comment section below, guys. I'd appreciate to see what you guys thought this video, what you guys think of this band. And yeah, also leave down suggestions. What should I listen to next? I do think that my next one is going to be by Apocalyptica. The suggestion was, I believe, I'm No Jesus. So yeah, I'll be checking that out in the next video, guys. So be sure to keep an eye out for that one. But yeah, guys, again, please, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell for me. I'd really appreciate that, guys. And if you have, thank you. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. You're the reason I do this. So thank you. We've just recently hit 160 subs. Guys, my goal is 250 by December. So please, let's get there. I really want to hit 250 by December 2020. Let's make 2020 a better year than what it has been. So yeah. And yeah, guys, if you guys would like to support me even more than just through YouTube, I do have a Patreon page, guys. Please go and check it out. Link will be down in the description below. The cheapest subscription is $3. And once I've got some Patrons, I will start posting some Patreon only content. So yeah, guys, give me a reason to really push my Patreon. I'd really appreciate that. I'll also be doing discount on merchandise and all that, of course, when I sort out my merchandise, which will happen at some point. And yeah, guys, if you want to chat with me, you have questions, anything like that, be sure to just follow me on my social media. I've got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that. Go and check it out. Links will be down in the description below, as always, guys. And yeah, also, guys, do not forget about hashtag vaping saved my life. Awesome community. I will put a link to a video that I did over here where I really went through hashtag vaping saved my life, and it's just an awesome community. I really suggest you guys go and check it out. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and remember, guys, keep safe, keep clean, and until next time, cheers.